Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete your identity on the Bitwarden desktop app. So first, as you guys can see, I am in the app right now. And what we can do here is we can click on our personal information. So for example, it's basically the identity, but I just named it my personal information. Now, if we want to delete it, we want to click on the trash icon right at the right side at the bottom of the screen. Now let's click yes, we want to send it to the bin. And here we want to go over to the bin and now click on this little file right here. Let's scroll down and click on the trash icon again on the right side at the bottom of the screen. Right here it will ask us if we want to delete the item permanently, so we want to click yes. And as you guys can see, we got rid of it. Now it's no longer to be found. There's only the clone, but if you did not clone yours, then you shouldn't be worried. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.